Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your progress on Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now in order to save your progress, you'll have to connect it with your Play Games or Facebook account. In this video, I'm gonna use my Facebook account. So tap on connect button of Facebook. Here click on the continue button. So that is how you can save your game progress on Subway Surfers. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.